Hi everybody, welcome to Community. You've come to the right place. The Beauty Insider community, also known as the BIC, is where beauty experts and newbies alike can gather virtually to ask questions with actual people, chat directly with our brands, and even share the latest beauty news.
And sometimes we even get our hands on new product. If you're brand new to the BIC, we've got you covered. Let's go over the first 3 steps to get started.
First things first, let's work on your profile. Pick a username. You're gonna need one to post and reply in conversations, to leave product reviews, and more.
Once you got a nickname, be sure to fill out your profile, add a photo, and just tell us more about you.
Step 2 is to join groups. You can browse and join different groups that speak to you, and you can find conversations based on your beauty interests. Are you looking for solutions for oily skin, for example?
Are you all about going clean with your beauty routine?
Looking for expert gifting advice?
Or maybe you are the ultimate gifter and you want to share your tips. There is a group for you. The BIC is made up of some of the nicest, most supportive and passionate people we have ever met online and in real life. And we are so excited that now you're a part of it. So step 3 is to go ahead and introduce yourself on our latest New Member Monday thread, which we post the first Monday of every month.
See you in the BIC.